Rise Life Reset in 66 days. So what is this app? So this is quite a new trending app. You can see in top charts. This is kind of, in a nutshell, this is like another habit tracker, but it's really well made. A lot of people had good reviews about it, and it's going viral on TikTok. So yeah, if you're struggling with motivation or direction, Rise offers a personalized 66-day program to help you reset your life, tailored to individual seeking purpose and a fresh start. Rise is more than an app; it's a companion on your journey to self-improvement. How it works. So personalized program generation, gradual challenge, increase daily reminders and tasks. Why 66 days is scientifically backed. The 66 days is an effective time frame to form new habits. Rise leverages this to help you cement positive changes for lasting impact. Join the Rise movement. Isn't just about self-improvement, it's about community. Full access to all features and life reset program. It's only available in the Rise paid subscription plan. If you choose a Rise monthly yearly subscription, payment will be charged at iTunes account at confirmation. So that's what you have. And this is how it looks like. This is just an overview. Will help to become the best version of yourself in 66 days. Unfortunately, there is no free trial. There is no free limited version. So there is a bit of a suspicion about it. So that's just what you have. Rise help you build lasting habits in a systematic, scientific way. How will your life improve? You'll see here. And then there is limited discount, which you can claim. And then you can get like the version for $29 per year. Otherwise, you need to upgrade monthly $13 per month, so yearly $50. And then you just start this program. I will probably try to upgrade for you guys. Please put some likes down below this video. And if you really want, I can just upgrade and show the upgraded version. Again, the fact that they are putting this aggressive paywall that you don't have any access to free version of the app is like super aggressive marketing. It means usually that the app just wants to make money and then that's it. But this is just a common among these new apps. So reset your life in 66 days. So daily tasks, level up. So document your journey. So you can just document your journey. 5 mini apps to help you with meditation, book summary, Pomodoro technique, screen blocker, workout counter, achievements, reflect daily and weekly. How far can you make it? And then you can just have it. All this like you just check up every day. So that's kind of, this app can be divided in 6 different apps, but they just combining everything in one app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So something like that.